have different kinds of role to play, responsibilities towards our children, like completion of the syllabus on time, making a class interactive, making a child love the subject, etc. etc. But on top of that, in Chitrakuta we always believe that upgrading own educational qualification is also a major responsibility of each one of us. And we are so encouraged and motivated here in our work field by the management or by the colleagues or by the higher ups that we are always doing it. Not only me, I could see all of my colleagues, they are taking up new educational degrees and diplomas to upgrade themselves, to be or to remain relevant to serve each child in future. I can tell you that in 17 years of my career in Chitrakuta, I have completed different kinds of educational qualifications. I have gone abroad, I have seen others, other countries, how they are serving their children, and have learned a lot. It could be a Montessori diploma, further Montessori diplomas, it could be PhD papers, it could be B.Ed, it could be anything. Many of my colleagues have completed B.Ed, many of my colleagues have completed their masters while teaching our children. Though it sounds a bit challenging that after 8 hours of professional commitment in school, then taking care of the family and then doing then taking out the study time from this 24 hours, but it has been an amazing journey for all of us because we feel great when we have completed and got our degree in hand. So you can listen to my colleagues, you can read their testimonies, and you can feel that what a beautiful workplace and organization we are all in, so that we are always relevant, we are always working for upgradation of our educational qualification. My message to the newcomers in this teaching field that keep on upgrading your educational qualification. And another thing we all want to say, thank you to the management of Chitrakuta for encouraging us, for helping us to be on track all the time by upgrading our educational degrees and diplomas. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Sapna and I'm glad that I completed my Bachelor of Education course. It really helps us to discharge our duties in a better manner. It helps us to make our planning and execution more systematized. Not only that, we also understand the mentality of the children and their problems, which helps us to arrive at possible solutions. I'm really thankful to Chitrakuta for giving me this support and helping me complete my B.Ed course. Thank you.
Just as all good textbooks come up with a new edition every year, Chitrakuta School comes up with a new edition of educators every year. We renew ourselves with more knowledge by taking up higher education. Our in-house technical team trains us with the new use of the ever-changing technology. We update ourselves with the latest CBSE programs that are so refreshing and in tune with the national education policy. I wholeheartedly thank our chairman Mr. Chaitanya for the sponsorship that has benefited many educators of Chitrakuta. I thank our principal Mrs. Joyita Bhattacharya for the inspiration and guidance. I thank all my colleagues for the passion with which we are building Chitrakuta School with the aim of being the change that we want to see in the world.
Teaching is the noblest profession, and it's a passion for many too. Along with being passionate, the aspirants also need to have the right qualification to teach effectively. One such professional course is Bachelor of Education. This course not only helps one possess critical thinking ability, also teaches patience and empathy. I joined Chitrakuta School as a passionate teacher. There came an opportunity for me to pursue this professional qualification, that is Bachelor of Education. Bachelor of Education teaches many teaching techniques, most of which is theoretical. Whereas, as I'm working in the school, I got a beautiful opportunity to apply it practically by teaching my dear students. I really thank Chitrakoota School for giving me an opportunity to pursue the Bachelor of Education course and also have a practical application by teaching the students. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I strongly believe that to preach something, you have to practice it. Today, I have a strong reason to say this. My name is Aarti Kunjitaya. I work as a teacher in Chitrakoota School. Being a teacher is such a satisfying profession. I joined Chitrakoota in the year 2014, and since then there has been no looking back. I would love to spend time with the children, trying to teach them so many new concepts. Looking at my zeal and enthusiasm towards my profession, our beloved chairman Mr. Chaitanya and our principal Mrs. Joyita Bhattacharya motivated me to pursue B.Ed course. I embraced this wonderful opportunity wholeheartedly. While I was pursuing my B.Ed, I got to learn so many new concepts about our education system. To name a few, the concept of gender equality in the field of education, integration of computers in the field of education, the hierarchy in the education department, government policies on education, and so many more to learn. I got a very practical exposure of all these aspects through varied field visits which used to be conducted by our B.Ed college. Our school has been very supportive and encouraging in all this endeavor and make it a successful one. By the end of the course, I was yearning for many more such educational courses to go, which could enrich our knowledge and add value to our life. Thank you, Chitrakoota, for everything.